Okay, here we're asked for a degree 4 polynomial with integer coefficients and zeros of 1, -1, 2, and then 1/2. Okay, so we're going to throw these zeros into our parentheses just like we have been doing. So the 1 goes in as x minus 1, the -1 goes in as x plus 1, the 2 goes in as x minus 2. Now the 1/2 we're going to put in slightly differently. Okay, so imagine that x equals 1/2. Okay, we'd multiply both sides by 2 here. We can get 2x equals 1. We can move the 1 over and get 2x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so that's kind of what we've been doing with these tricks, to just drop these integers into these parentheses. With the fraction, we really just need to kind of move the 2 up. So we're going to get that into a parenthesis as 2x minus 1.